We go on Jungle Madness, and the card first. Right. My mum's down there, you alright? This is Jungle Madness. It's a fun house, only £2 as well. I like these sort of things. Oh, you fucking motherfucker. Absolutely sat myself. Didn't know I'd done that. Oh, shit. Look at this bad move. Hey! So yeah, Jungle Madness is called. We got the wheel as well. I don't know, I'm right past the wheel. Yeah, I like that, I know. But yeah, the wheel here, nice wheel. I'll come back to it maybe. I like to see it. Yeah, that's a wheel. That's love. It looks good. A bit fast for me. I'll pass that one. This is one of these other French stands, I think. I don't know what that's done. I think it's smooth. And I've really hold on. It does, it moves. Hey! Then you've got the spinning wheel over here. Oh shit, it spins fast. Oh, you motherfucker. There we go, that spins fast as well. Hey! I'm loving it. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh! Some vibration on that thing! Look at this. That's it. Got upstairs now. Some size of fun hat for £2. It's not too bad. Yeah, that's alright. Got the spinning wheels of death. I'll go this way because I'm a bit of a chicken when it comes to them. I'll take you through here. Way. Whoa. Then you've got rollerblades. You can take your time on these and you go sliding. Oh, these got moves. That's not good. Then you've got a slide. You can go down there if you want. I'll come down here. Mum down there. So yeah, there's my mum down there. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll take you down the slide. If I can get in it. What way am I doing? Yeah. Try to get myself in here. I might do this. It's hard to get through here. I'm trying to move my legs in. Here I come. Here I go, my mum's shouting down here. I can hear my mum. Hey, very slow. I was actually expecting it to be a bit faster. Oh. This is good, I'm enjoying this Jungle Madness thing. Got a big wheel by the end. Climb over. I'm enjoying that. So yeah, that was Jungle Madness. Good little fun house. I enjoyed that.